English is fun when I relax. I don't worry, I don't stress. I hear new words, I smile inside. Learning English feels so light. I listen close and join the sound. English fun is all around.
I learn English with a song. Simple words don't feel too long. I repeat them loud or low. Every day I start to know when I enjoy the things I do. English feels friendly too.
I laugh a little, I feel okay. I learn English in my way when I enjoy the things I hear. Learning English feels so clear.
English is fun, I like to learn. Every word is my turn. I listen, speak, and sing along. Learning English feels strong. English is fun, yes it is true. I enjoy learning English too.
I hear English in my day, morning time and when I play. Short sentences help me speak, even when I feel a bit weak. Fun helps learning stay with English every day.
Mistakes happen, that's okay. I keep learning anyway. When I smile and keep it light, English feels just right. I don't stop, I don't run. Learning English can be fun.
I stay happy, I stay kind. I keep English in my mind. With a smile and gentle tone, English never feels alone.
English is fun, I like to learn. Every word is my turn. I listen, speak, and sing along. Learning English feels strong. English is fun, yes it is true. I enjoy learning English too. Fun helps learning stay alive. It helps my English grow and thrive. When I like the way I learn, English gives me more in return.
I study English with a smile. I practice for a little while. I enjoy each sound I hear. English feels close and clear. Fun and learning go as one. That's why English is fun.
Now I feel relaxed and free. English feels good to me. With every song I choose, I never lose the fun to learn. I remind myself each day, English is fun in every way. English is fun, I like to learn. Every word is my turn. I listen, speak, and sing along. Learning English feels strong. English is fun, yes it is true. I enjoy learning English too.
English is fun when I feel light. I learn with joy day and night. With music guiding what I do, I learn English and enjoy it too.